Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to unbox again my order from Lazada. So let's unwrap this. Let's unbox. Quietly. Okay, so let's unbox. I just received yesterday. We just cut it on the center and let's see. Okay, here it is. Oh, my phone is so blurred. This one is rejuvenating exfoliating gel. The first time I bought one of these to try, and then when I try it, I felt my skin so clean and soft after I use this. So I bought three because I use it daily. So I bought three. There we go. Okay, I bought three for this. And what we call this? Sunscreen. It's a sunscreen. So later we'll check it out like this. And then this a clip. We will open it later. After I bought these three different items, the rejuvenating exfoliating gel and the sunscreen and the clip, they give me this towel. Free towel. That's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. See you again.